We are dropping off a 3D printed prosthetic hand for young Christopher. He's been waiting a couple months now. You ready to see it?
Yeah.
Want to open it up? All right. I'm a first-year medical student at LMU-DeBusk College of Osteopathic Medicine, and I'm a volunteer with e-Nable, which is a worldwide nonprofit organization who seeks to put together 3D printed prosthetic hands for people in need. This device is called a Phoenix hand, so with flexion of the wrist, fingers grab. Awesome.
And Cole had sent an email explaining his research project and asking for student participants to be referred. And I had 2 students, of course, Christopher and Macy, right here in my own home county. To see our young kids, that was exciting.
It's very exciting and humbling experience to get to experience something that we didn't think we would get to, as far as giving her more opportunities to advance. It'll definitely give her a talking point with her friends. I know they're excited and talked about doing a science fair project with it next year.
It's gonna come all the way down and come all the way up evenly. With Macy and Chris, I want to provide them devices for as long as they want to keep using them. And it's great for kids to introduce them to a prosthetic at a young age, because that makes the transition to more high-tech devices a lot easier.